Did you know that ethical hacking is on the rise, with a staggering 45% increase in demand for cybersecurity professionals in the last few years? Crazy, right? And here's the kicker: tools like Flipper Zero are making ethical hacking accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting out. Hey there, folks! Today, we're diving into Flipper Zero, a super versatile tool that's revolutionizing the world of ethical hacking. Whether you're a complete newbie or someone looking to enhance their security skills, this little device has got your back. Let's unpack what makes it such a game changer. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. For many beginners, stepping into the world of ethical hacking can feel a bit overwhelming. There's tons of jargon, complex tools, and a steep learning curve. Many aspiring hackers find themselves stuck and frustrated, unable to find user-friendly resources to bridge that gap. It's like trying to learn a new language without a dictionary. That's where tools like Flipper Zero come into play, offering an accessible way to dive into the hacking universe without feeling lost. Alright, let's explore what Flipper Zero actually brings to the table. First off, this nifty little device is designed to be super user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. It boasts a range of functionalities, like RFID reading and emulation, infrared control, and even GPIO pins for hardware hacking. Imagine being able to scan RFID tags or control devices with just a few clicks. But it doesn't stop there. Flipper Zero also provides a vibrant community and tons of resources, making it easier than ever to learn and grow. You can find tutorials, forums, and even projects shared by other users. Plus, it allows you to experiment safely, helping you understand the ins and outs of security without risking anything in the real world. So whether you want to test your own devices or learn how to identify vulnerabilities in a secure environment, Flipper Zero has got you covered. Now, let me share a compelling case study that really highlights Flipper Zero's capabilities. Picture this: a cybersecurity enthusiast decided to use Flipper Zero at a local tech event to demonstrate its potential. With just a few clicks, they were able to identify a vulnerable Wi-Fi network and showcase how easily someone could gain access if proper security measures weren't in place. The crowd was in awe. This wasn't just theory, this was real-world application, showing attendees the importance of improving their security practices. It was a fantastic reminder of why tools like Flipper Zero are essential for both learning and protecting ourselves in this digital age.